Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put YouTube videos on your Weebly website. This is a fantastic way to showcase your content, share tutorials, or simply make your website more engaging and dynamic for your visitors. Let's dive right in and get your video embedded. First, you'll need to head over to Weebly.com and log in to your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. From here, take a look at the left menu where you'll see the option labeled Website. Click on it, and just underneath, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that to proceed to the next step. Now you'll see a list of your websites. Choose the specific website you want to edit. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of your screen and you'll notice an Edit button. Click on this button to open up the editor page of your website. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to customize and add elements to your site. Once you're on the editor page, make sure you're on the Build tab. This tab is located in the top menu and is essential because it gives you access to all the building blocks and elements you can add to your website. If you're not already on Build, simply click it to switch over. Now on the left side menu, you need to find the YouTube element. This is the tool that will allow you to embed your video directly onto your page. If you're having trouble locating it among all the available elements, just click on Show All Elements. This will expand the menu and display every option available, making it much easier to find what you're looking for. Once you've found the YouTube element, simply drag it onto your website, place it wherever you'd like the video to appear on your page. This drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. After you've placed the YouTube element on your page, click on it. A menu will appear where you'll see a field labeled YouTube video URL. This is where you'll paste the link to your YouTube video. Head over to YouTube, copy the URL of the video you want to embed, then come back and paste it into this field. Finally, you have some customization options available. You can edit the position of the video on your page, adjust the spacing around it to ensure it fits nicely with your other content, and there are even advanced settings where you can modify the size and specify the YouTube video ID if needed. These options give you full control over how the video looks and functions on your site, and that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video on your Weebly website, making your site more interactive and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.